Good morning everyone, I'm your news anchor Aldrijan Macaraig and welcome to the Philippines Daily News. So our breaking news for today, government announces new initiatives to boost economic growth. The policies and investments aim to stimulating industries and creating jobs. So this news will be reported by Mike Santos. Thank you so much, Sir Aldrin. In September 15, 2023, the administration has revealed a number of new initiatives in an effort to boost economic growth and foster business-friendly climate. It is anticipated that the country's economy will benefit from these policies, which are intended to boost industries and create jobs. The government also intends to promote the growth of important industries like manufacturing, agriculture, and technology. They seek to boost the industry's competitiveness, creativity, and production by offering infrastructure, money, and support. And that would be all, Sir Aldrey. Thank you so much, Mike Santos. And in our next news, you will be amazed because there is a dog in the Philippines who saved two young children in Zamboanga City. And this news will be reported by Aaron Kayabyab. Thank you so much, Sir Aldrey. So there is a dog named Kabang. It's a shepherd mix whose name means different colors in the local dialect of her home in Zamboanga City in the southern part of the Philippines. Almost a year and a half ago, she selflessly leaped into the path of a motorcycle that was headed towards two young girls. Her teeth became embedded in the front of wheel and her upper jaw and the muzzle were torn off. When the motorcycle flipped, she likely saved the lives of her owner's daughter and a cousin. This act of heroism attracted attention across the country and then around the world. The dog lovers came together and raised over 27,000 for Kabang to travel to US for the corrective surgery as vets in her native country were unable to help her. The treatment took over 8 months, but Kabang's finally home again. And that would be all, Sir Aldrey. Thank you so much for that wonderful news, Aaron Kayabyab. So, and our next news will be reported by Nerdy de Guzman about the latest news updates of Philippines science and technology. So, Nerdy de Guzman, is there any Philippines science and technology latest news updates? Yes, Sir Aldrey. There are three Philippine science and technology latest news updates today. The first one is exploring the potential of artificial intelligence in healthcare. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become a potent instrument in recent years, revolutionizing a number of industries, with healthcare being one of the primary areas of attention. AI technologies have demonstrated significant potential in enhancing patient care, tailored treatment regimens, and medical diagnostics. The article explores how artificial intelligence, or AI, is being used into healthcare, including the potential to change the field's future. The second one is the Philippine Space Agency launches satellite for environmental monitoring. With the successful launch of its newest satellite, intended for environmental monitoring and catastrophe response, with the Philippine Space Agency, or PhilSA, created history today. Modern sensors aboard the satellite gather information on climate patterns, natural disasters, and environmental changes, facilitating better decision making and reaction plans to protect the nation's environment and people. And the last one is about innovations in renewable energy, harnessing solar power for sustainable development. In the Philippines, the use of renewable energy source, especially solar power, as a competitive substitute for conventional energy source in growing. This feature story examines the most recent advancements in solar technology, the advantages of using solar energy, and how it supports national efforts to save the environment and promote sustainable development. And that would be all, Sir Aldrey. Thank you so much, Nerdy de Guzman. And next is our sports chica with Maris Villania.
Thank you so much, Sir Audrey. So, welcome in our Sports Chica. Philippines secures gold in Southeast Asian Games Women's Volleyball. The Philippines women's volleyball team brought home the gold medal in the Southeast Asian Games after an intense match against Thailand. The team displayed an impressive performance throughout the tournament, showcasing their strength and agility in every game. The next one is the rise of esports in the Philippines. In this column, we explore the growing popularity of esports in the Philippines and how it has become a legitimate form of competition. With the country's passion for video games, esports has become a new avenue for young Filipinos to showcase their skills and pursue their dreams. The column delves into the challenges and opportunities in the esports industry and how it has the potential to transform the landscape of Philippine sports. And lastly is all about the boxing legend Manny Pacquiao announces retirement. After a long and illustrious career, boxing legend Manny Pacquiao has announced his retirement from the sport. The announcement came after his recent victory against a tough opponent, cementing his legacy as one of the greatest boxers of all time. The article reflects on Pacquiao's remarkable journey and his impact on the Philippine sports scene, as well as his plans for the future. And that would be all, Sir Aldrey, and thank you everyone.
And that would be all for the Philippines Daily News. Take care and thank you everyone.
Sa mundong nababalot ng sakit at nagbabadyang pandemya, sapat ba ang tableta-tableta lang? Kaya naman, dapat matibay ang resistensya laban sa sakit. Kaya naman gatas ko, Bear Brand Choco.
Katumbas ang tibay nutrients ng Bear Brand.
Choco! Panalo ang sarap!
Gatas na choco!
Choco na gata!
Talaga namang pinag-aralan at napatunayan. Patibayin ang resistensya. Sure ka rito, 100%. Mag-Bear Brand everyday. From Nestle.
Bagong Bear Brand Choco Milk.